Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with a bank account. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. This involves creating an account with your email and a secure password. Next, you'll verify your identity by providing some personal details, which is a standard regulatory step. Finally, make sure to enable two-factor authentication to keep your account extra safe. Once your account is set up, the next step is to link your bank account. Head over to the Payment Methods section in your Coinbase profile. You'll then select Add a Payment Method and choose Bank Account. Coinbase uses a secure process to connect to your bank, often requiring your online banking login details. This ensures a smooth and safe transaction experience. With your bank account linked, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section on Coinbase and select Bitcoin. You'll then enter the amount you want to purchase, either in a specific dollar value or a quantity of Bitcoin. Always take a moment to review your order details, including any fees, before confirming your transaction. It's a straightforward process. Before you finalize your purchase, keep a few important things in mind. Transaction fees will apply, and these can vary depending on the size of your purchase. Also, be aware of daily purchase limits, which for many users can be up to $25,000. For long-term storage, consider moving your Bitcoin to a hardware wallet for enhanced security. Happy buying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.